Asina company actually. So we could use this instrument for different samples, for meals. So it's universal.
Are you doing this research?
Services.
A studentите ќе му помага на фирмите или тие ќе
Yes. For example, tomorrow we have